Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to run the Nexus node on Termux. To start, install Termux from F-Droid or a trusted source on your Android device. Now update Termux packages with the pkg update command on the screen. After that, install Java and Git using the pkg install command. Clone the Nexus repo using git clone github.com/nexusprotocol/nexus.git. Next, navigate to the folder using cd nexus in your Termux terminal. Create or edit a nexus.conf file to configure node settings for testnet or mainnet. Then, start the node with java-jar nexus-node.jar to begin syncing. Monitor logs in real time to ensure the node connects and syncs blocks. Keep Termux active or use a wake lock app to prevent node from stopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.